Hello, I'm Emmanuel Quarles, your guide in the exciting journey of mastering MikroTik Cloud Hosted Routers, CHR. Today, let's dive into the foundational topic, Introduction to Cloud Hosted Router, CHR, where we'll unravel the key features and benefits that make CHR a game changer in the networking world. So, what exactly is a cloud hosted router? Think of it as a powerful software-based router that harnesses the flexibility and scalability of the cloud. It's not a physical box. Instead, it's a virtual routing solution that operates in cloud environments or on your own hardware. Now, let's look at the key features of MikroTik CHR. Number one is virtual flexibility. CHR breaks free from the constraints of physical routers. With its virtual nature, it adapts seamlessly to various environments, making it an ideal choice for dynamic network setups. Number two is cost efficiency. You don't have to invest in dedicated hardware. CHR allows you to leverage existing virtualized infrastructure, saving you both upfront and operational costs. Number three, versatile development. Whether you're running a small office, a large enterprise, or experimenting in a lab environment, CHR fits the bill. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of networking scenarios. Number four, scalability. As your network grows, CHR grows with it. You can easily scale your CHR deployment to meet the demands of expanding network without the hassle of acquiring new hardware, as would be the case if you were using a traditional routing equipment. Number five, rapid deployment. Setting up a CHR instance is quick and painless. We'll be covering this in detail shortly, showing you how to install CHR on virtual machines, ensuring you can get up and running in no time. There are, of course, numerous benefits of using MikroTik CHR. The first is cloud-ready efficiency. CHR is tailored for cloud environments, enabling you to harness the power of cloud infrastructure providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, or even everyday VPNs providers. This ensures high availability and reliability. Number two is centralized management. You can manage your router centrally from anywhere. CHR allows for centralized configuration and monitoring, providing a bird's eye view of the entire network. Number three is seamless integration. You can integrate CHR into your existing infrastructure effortlessly. Whether it's a hybrid setup or a complete migration, CHR seamlessly integrates into your network ecosystem. Number four, regular updates and improvements. MikroTik is known for its commitment to continuous improvement. With CHR, you benefit from regular updates, ensuring your router stays equipped with the latest features and security enhancements. Number five, which is perhaps one of the most exciting benefits, is learn by doing. CHR is an excellent platform for learning. It's a playground for networking enthusiasts, allowing you to experiment and hone your skills in a risk-free environment. You don't have to deal with using an expensive network equipment as a lab rat. If you encounter any serious errors, you can easily take down the router and create a new instance. No one gets hurt. As we move forward in this course, we'll explore hands-on activities, from setting up a MikroTik account to installing CHR on virtual machines. I'll guide you through configuring basic parameters, understanding networks, routing essentials, wireless networking, and advanced features like VPNs and hotspot setup. So buckle up and let's embark on this learning adventure together. By the end of this course, you will not only be a master of MikroTik CHR, but you'll also have the skills to implement it in various real-world scenarios. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive into the practical aspects of getting started with MikroTik CHR. Happy learning!